Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make Parson cream cheese. These are all you need, you heard me right. And of course, today we are making Parson cream cheese. We're gonna need Parson juice. This recipe is not only the easiest way, but it's also delicious. Tell you the truth, you're not gonna find me at the boba store anymore. So now give it a shake, and then pour it into a cup filled with ice. And guess what? You also get your own lychee jelly topping from the drink. And now just top it off with cream cheese that we just made earlier. I did not put any sugar in the cream cheese, but if you like sweet cream cheese, of course you can add sugar. And now we have Parson cream cheese. To try, and don't forget to tell me how you think. You can find this kind of juice at any Asian store. For me, of course, I gave it 10 out of 10. Thank you. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.